visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Let's check no kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And please believe in the divine timing kasi ito po ay timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Wow. First card is the Tower, followed by the Ace of Swords. No, parang nagja-jump off siya agad sa from devastations and then fixations. Siguro sabihin natin ang inyong relationship is fluctuating, no? And I feel like siguro meron talagang mga relasyon na ganito yung format, no? Away-bate, hiwalay together again, hiwalay together again. So it can be a routine, no? That can be understandable, especially meron tayong yung mga natatouch based na, let's say, a taboo. Ano ba yung mga taboo? Let's say religion, no? Baka magkaiba ng religion, political views, magkaiba, doon nagsisimula, no? Yung mga away-away, yung mga ganyan. Pwede rin mga perspective sa buhay. Yeah, of course, no? Kumbaga yung mga bagay na paniniwala ng isa, hindi nakukuha ng kabila, doon nagkakaroon ng friction and then nagkakaroon ng away, no? And it's dapat hindi, pero of course, walang perfect na relationship. Kung meron talaga mga differences, I feel like it is okay to have that misunderstanding. I don't want to say argument, pero sige, sabihin na rin natin. Kasi this is also part of the transformation. And it felt like whether or not, dun yung malalaman na you are meant to be together, or baka dun nyo rin malalaman na I need to adjust myself, no? And my person also need to adjust themselves para magkaroon ng harmony, no? Dito sa inyong relationship. So, ang nakikita kasi natin dito with the Tower, chances are, this can be brought up, no? Either by the both of you, one of you. Of course, that makes sense with the Six of Pentacles. Ang nagiging problema kasi dito, papagpatol. So kapag yung isa nag-brought up ng something, papatulan naman agad ng kabila. And it felt like there is revenge in here with the Queen of Swords. Revenge, not hindi yung para, sasaktan din kita. I mean, more of, sabihin na lang nating banters or rebut, no? Kasi I feel like both of you are matalino, no? Both of you are, kumbaga, meron talaga mga point of view or faction talaga na, you know, this is me. This is me being me, no? This is how my brain works. At walang pwedeng bumago nun. And it felt like that is also why people called unique, no? Every person is unique by their own, you know, by their own rights. So, hindi pwedeng mabago. That's embedded with the Three of Cups and the Lovers. So, ang nakikita natin dito, kahit ganun yung nangyayari, it felt like pagdating naman sa expressions of love siguro, no? iba-iba lang yung atake. Parang ito yung sinabi ni Miss Sarah G, 'no? I don't know kung totoong kung ito yung part nga yun ng kanyang album, yung Perfectly Imperfect, parang gano'n. Naku, kung hindi, the fans ni Sarah G, I do apologize. Pero, I don't know. No, with the Ten of Cups, ang gusto ko lang sabihin dito is, hindi man perpekto ang inyong buong pagkatao, and no one does, no? Nakikita natin dito na nagkakaroon talaga din ng mga adjustments. Pwedeng nauuna lang yung isa, pwedeng nalilate lang yung isa. Ito yung mga couple na pwede nating sabihin, I am willing to change, no? For my person. Hindi ito yung I'm willing to change to please my person. No. I'm willing to change because I love my person, and I also seeing my person to is also changing para mag-work itong connection. So hindi ito one-sided na, I am just changing. No. Kasi if that's the case, yeah, you're pleasing the person. Although may pleasing part dito na, yeah, both of you are pleasing each other, pero may banters, no? And I think that the compromise is also being practiced. And I hope that lahat ng relationship ganito, no, merong mga compromise, yung hindi ako sa iyo, yung totally rejection. Ito yung part na ano naman din yung nasa akin, no? Parang what's in it for me. Kung pagbibigyan kita, ano naman yung mahihita ko dyan, 'di ba? Kumbaga ganun yung paction eh. Napakatalino nung conversations dito na nakikita ko. So, kapag ba pinagbigyan kita dyan, ano naman yung mahihita ko, no? Parang, sige, pag ganito, pagbibigyan din kita ng chance, no, na ano bang gusto mong mangyari? So, kung kunyari, gusto ko mag-eroplano tayo papunta sa isang lugar, pero I'm afraid of heights. Yung isa naman, gusto ko nagbarko. So, ang gagawin natin is, pagbibigyan kita, siguro naka-eroplano tayo papunta, no? Pero pabalik, nakabarko tayo. Or, magbarko tayo papunta, pabalik, mag-eroplano tayo. Whichever works. No? Parang, both of you are giving each others a chance to be happy dito sa connection. So, with the King of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I think this is a good way of practice giving support to each other. Dito natin makikita yung pagiging teamwork no, ng couple. Dito rin natin makikita na hindi man tayo perfecto sa isa't isa. We're trying to be perfect for the relationship, or I am trying to be perfect not just for you, but I'm trying to be perfect for me to fit in the relationship, no? Ang ganda kasi meron din dito siguro na dahil nga naipa-practice natin yung if you're on the right side, then bakit hindi ako magsasorry, no? Hindi naman ikabababa ng pagkatao ko, hindi naman ako mapuputulan ng daliri, hindi naman, hindi mamahati ang katawan ko kapag nagsorry ako. So, given the fact na I'm the one who commit mistake, then I am sorry from the bottom of my heart, no? So, napakaganda, dito nabubuo yung harmony. Dito mo makikita na hindi kailangan perpekto yung tao, kasi wala nga perpektong tao, pero dito mo makikita na pwedeng gawin, pwede nating i-work on yung mga imperfections natin. Ang ganda. This is an epitome of a good relationship. Almost perfect, no? Almost, kasi may mga pa rin, may mga lapses, but then again, that's normal. Kasi naman yung nag-i-stay, hindi na nga nagbibigayan, magulo ng sobra, nandun pa rin. At least ito, someone is, the couple is trying to work things out together on those imperfections para hindi makita, no? Para hindi ito mas mapansin, as mas makita dito yung love, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito, let me know, of course, sa comment section. And sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Of course, pwedeng lumabas ang kanilang placement sa chart, and reading mo to, lalabas din naman ang inyong zodiac sign and of course ang inyong placement sa chart. Taurus, Virgo, Pisces. I am seeing Gemini, Capricorn, Libra. I'm seeing Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, Gemini is here, Aquarius. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.